Should you go to the police after a sexual assault? Today, I'm talking about 3 reasons why you should, but then 3 considerations why maybe it's not the best idea. Overall, I would recommend that you do go and report to the police, but it is a deeply personal decision. I'm Natalie Gerry, the principal lawyer with Gerry Law. I help injured people get the compensation that they deserve for their injuries. Today, it's a serious topic, but I want to go through 3 reasons why you should report a sexual assault to the police, and then 3 reasons why you might consider not doing it. Let's get into it. 3 good things and reasons why you should report to the police. Let's start there. The first reason is to seek justice and to feel empowered. So when you report to the police, you will be putting in motion a process that could end up in you feeling like you have received some justice for what happened to you. This is a major reason why it is beneficial to go ahead and report to the police after sexual assault. Reporting to the police can give the survivor a feeling of empowerment and possibly closure about the incident and what happened, and can make them feel like they've taken some control back in the situation where they're able to report and hopefully have something done about it. The second reason why you should consider reporting the sexual assault to the police is for the protection of others. When you go and report the assault, the police then have the name of the perpetrator, and the perpetrator likely will be contacted to be advised that they have an allegation against them, even if they aren't charged eventually, but this may deter them in the future from perpetrating against other people. It is something to consider. The third reason for reporting a sexual assault to the police is because of the resources that you can be connected with through the police or through victim services. When you go to the police station or call the police about the incident, they can put you in touch with resources that could be supportive and that could help you through the trauma of what happened. This is the third reason why it could be a good idea to go to the police. Now I'm going to go over the reasons why you might not choose to go to the police. And these are equally compelling, but as I said, it is very personal and it depends on your personal circumstances whether or not you do report. In looking at the reasons why you might choose not to report, the first major reason is due to re-traumatization. Re-traumatization can occur when you go in and report, and if you are feeling unsupported or disbelieved or being asked a bunch of questions that are not in keeping with the trauma-informed approach, knowing that survivors can remember events that are traumatic in different ways and not necessarily in the ways that are expected, this can be re-traumatizing, and having your version of the events questioned can add to the trauma of what happened to you. The next issue to consider in why you might not want to report is because of the loss of privacy. When you go and report to the police, they will take down your information, and unless you're a minor, most likely your name will be out there as a witness in the case once it proceeds. If charges are pressed, then most likely your name would be disclosed, and especially to the accused. The third reason why you might decide not to report to police is because of the uncertainties involved in the criminal justice system. Once you report the incident and the police take over the investigation, the survivor becomes a witness in the proceeding but loses a lot of control over how the matter proceeds forward. The police will do their investigation. The Crown will then see if there is a reasonable prospect of a conviction about whether they proceed with the charges, and the witness becomes a witness, but not necessarily entitled to know everything that is going on, and you might feel as though you lose control over some of the process. With the criminal justice system, there is also the possibility that the survivor might not see the outcome that they were hoping for, and this can add to the feelings of re-traumatization and the feeling of being a victim of what happened. The civil process can offer an alternative to that, and I do have another video about the civil process that will be linked below. Please check out my other videos for more legal information.